Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have these seeds from Eden Brothers. I'll tell you my favorite thing about them in just a second, but first some things you need to know. So this comes in about 1/4 of a pound package, and guys, that's like 120,000 seeds. It is 19 different species. Some of these plants get 25 inches or higher. You don't want to plant these in the spring or the fall. I haven't planted too many of them. It comes in when it's full, it's about like right here. I planted some just to kind of experiment. And I planted them in kind of probably too hot of time, and they sprouted really well. They grew really fast. I wish I would have planted them earlier or later. So that's my recommendation. But these definitely sprout and they grow crazy. They grow so fast. I would really recommend doing them in the fall or in the spring, probably. That way they can get the roots more established and probably not burn out as fast. And I think I will do that again in the fall and probably have much better luck, because this is a big enough package to do a very large area. And I just think that these are really fun. They're really pretty. A lot of bees, a lot of bugs come for these. Growing them was really fun, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.